And in this exercise, let's see that the questions are, first question is write true and false. So we have to use some properties in this, and the first question says write true and false. 2 upon 5 plus 5 upon 4 is a rational number. This is a property, and the properties are closure associative and all. So the sum of two rational numbers is a rational number. This is a property, and this property is given in the beginning of the topic. So using that property, this is true sentence. Then this is equal to 0. Now this you have to simplify. So minus 2 upon 3 plus, so if the sum is coming, if the sum of this number is 0, then the answer is 0. So we will solve these questions by taking the rule of fraction, and the rule of fraction is according to the question, that when the answer should be, is it 0 or not. So if we solve this, and the number is minus 2 upon 3 plus 3 upon minus 2, if the answer is 0, so since there is a minus sign here and a plus and a minus sign here, this whole question can be written with a single sign as minus 3 upon 2. Plus sign and a minus sign together becomes minus. Now the LCM of this number is 6. So since the LCM is 6, now what will it become? 3 will divide 6. 3 will go 2 times. So you should write it in this way in your mind. 3 will divide 6 2, and it will become 3 divided 2, so 2 into 2, and 2 will divide 6, 2, 3, just 6, so 3 will go in the numerator. Now the number is minus 4, minus 9, 2 into 2, 4, 3 into 3, 9, and the answer is minus 13 upon 6 is the answer. Okay, so the answer is equal to 0. So the answer is not 0, it is false. So these are based on the property. 0 is an additive identity of additional number. Yes, 0 is additive identity, means when 0 is added to any number, then the answer is the same number. So it is true. And 5 upon 6 plus 0 is equal to 0. 5 upon 6 plus 0 means when this number is added with 0, the answer is 0. So we know that if we add 3 plus 0, the answer is not 0. So therefore this sentence proves that this sentence is wrong. This sentence is wrong. Then the negative of any negative number is negative. Negative of any number. Negative of a negative number. That means minus of minus is equal to minus of minus 3 is plus, and it is written negative of a negative number is negative, so it is false. The answer is that it is not negative, it is positive. Then 0 has no reciprocal. Yes. Now this question number 2 onwards, it is written add and simplify. So how do you add and simplify? It is a revision exercise of the previous class. So question number 2, A part is minus 6 upon 11. This question, minus 6 upon 11 and 2 upon 3. You have to simplify. How do you simplify? We have to write minus 6 upon 11. Add. It is written add the following. So since it is written add, you will add it plus 2 upon 3. And then it will become LCM. What is the LCM of this number? The LCM is, yes, If you have any problem or any query, you can type below the video and I will try to solve it. Rest we will solve in the live class where I will explain, take your problems. So LCM is written here. LCM of 11 and 3 is 33. Now 33 will divide by 11. 11 3 times it will go. So this becomes into 3 the numerator. Then this number is 3 will divide 33. It will go 11 times. So it will be 11 here. Minus 6 into 3 18. And plus 2 into 11 is 22. So 6 into 3 is 18. 2 into 11 is 22. And the answer becomes 22 minus 18 is, subtract, it will become 4 upon 33 and the sign will be plus. So it is plus 4 upon 33. So I will keep this class live. You can watch it when you are comfortable and revise. And whenever you watch, you can type what is your query and what did you feel about it, you have understood or not. In the same way, in this question, it is written 3 upon minus 4 and 4 upon minus 5. What is the LCM? B part. It is written 3 upon minus 4. Question number 2, B part. 3 upon minus 4 and 4 upon minus 5. And 4 upon minus 5. So if you write it, it will become 3 upon, you can put 1 minus sign anywhere, and plus 4 upon minus 5 because it is and it is written plus. Now there is a plus sign and minus sign. You can write 1 minus sign, minus 3 upon 4, plus and minus will become 1 sign, so minus 4 upon 5. And now the LCM. What is the LCM of 4 and 5? 20. Now 4 will divide 20. 4 into 4 5s are 20. So numerator will be multiplied with 5. 5 will divide 20 4 times. So it will be into 4. Then 3 into 5 will become minus 15. 4 into 4 will become minus 16. Now minus 15 and minus 16 will become addition total. So minus 31 upon 20 is the answer. If this number is dividing, you can cancel the number. If the number divides, then you can cancel the number. Otherwise, the answer is this only. So when you have to add, then the solution is slightly easy. But when you have to subtract, you have to keep the sign in mind. The sign in mind means you have to, like question number 3. Question 3 is subtract the following. It is written subtract. So subtract means A part. 4 upon 3 from 5 upon 6. It is given. So since it is written subtract 4 upon 3 from 5 upon 6, we will subtract. From means this number will be written first. Okay, so this number written first means now the question will become 5 upon 6 because it is from this number you have to subtract this number. So 5 upon 6 will be written first. Sign of subtraction 4 upon 3. So it will become 5 upon 6 minus 4 upon 3. Now you have to solve by the normal method by taking LCM. LCM of 6 and 3 is 6. 6 will divide 6. 6 ones are 6. So it will become into 1. 3 will divide this. So it will be 3 2s are 6. So it will be into 2. 5 into 1 will become 5. Minus 4 into 2 will become 8. So now the number will become 5 minus 8 is minus 3 upon 6. Now in this case it is minus 3 upon 6. Minus 3 upon 6 means now you have to simplify. Yes, you will simplify. So 3 and 6 will divide. It will become 3 1, 3 2. Answer is minus 1 upon 2 is the answer. Okay, so you can see this whole explanation again if you have any doubt. Whenever we subtract, we write the next number first. Like now it is written in C part minus 3 upon 5. In C part it is written minus 3 upon 5 from minus 7 upon 10. So subtract this number from this number. So which number will come first? Type the answer. What will come first? Which number will be written? Just now we did one question. From this means this number will be written first with the sign. So keep typing your answer below this video. Minus 7 upon 10. From this number subtract this number. So sign of subtraction. Then the number is itself minus. So you will put minus here. So minus 3 upon 5 it will become. So 7 upon minus 7 upon 10 subtract minus 3 upon 5. Now after this you have to simplify and write minus 7 upon 10 and then open this. It will become plus 3 upon 5. Minus and minus will multiply. It will become plus. Now you will take LCM. LCM is of 10 and 5 is 10. Now you will divide the LCM by 10. So when 10 will divide 10, it will come 1. So this will become into 1. 5 will divide 2 times, it will go 5 to the 10. So it will be 2 into numerator. This is a very important step which sometimes children confuse. So minus 7 into 1 will become minus 7. 3 into 2 will become plus 6. And the answer is minus 7 plus 6 is equal to minus 1 upon 10. The answer is minus 1 upon 10. So very important beginning of the exercise. This is for it is written subtraction. After this it is written find the product. Question number 3 is subtract. Question number 4 is find the product of the following numbers. You have to simplify by multiplying the numbers. So if you take question number 4, A part, it is written for minus 15 upon 18 multiplied by minus 6 upon 20. Multiply this 4A, it is given minus 15 upon 18 multiplied by minus 6 upon 20. So how will you simplify? Like in fraction, the meaning of this number is minus 15 multiplied by minus 6 upon 18 into 20. So those, if you have confusion in the number, if you have confusion in how to solve, then see the step again, you will have doubts cleared. Now divide the number and cancel the numbers. Now 6 will divide 18. Don't see the sign first, see the number only. 6 3 is 18. Then we can divide 3. This 3 will divide this 15, it will become 5. And now I have cancelled 6, 1 is 6. 6 3 is 18. This 3 I have divided 5. And then this 5 can divide 4. What is left? We are left with only numerator 1 upon denominator is only 4. So in the total number there are 2 minus signs. 2 minus sign means answer is plus. Simple. So after you have cancelled the number, then you put the sign. Either you count the sign in the beginning or you count the sign later. But the thing is that the sign depends on how many signs are there. In B part it is written minus 3 upon 7 multiplied by 21 upon 8. So minus 3 upon 7 into 21 upon 8 means minus 3 into 21 upon 7 into 8. So now 8 and 3, whichever number divides, so 7 will divide this 3. Now no other number is cancelling. You can see no number is cancelling. So what will come? 3 into 3 will become 9. And denominator is only 8. So it will be minus 9 upon 8 is the answer. Okay, so multiplication is simple. In the next question it is written divide. Question number 5. Question number 5 is written divide. And it is written simplify a part. It's written minus 3. You check your book and keep understanding the question. Minus 8 upon 35 divided by 3 upon 14. Now when the question is of division, division sign will be removed and it will become product sign. So minus 8 upon 35 will become minus 8 upon 35. Division sign is removed. It will become into. This is a simple rule. 8, the first number remains as it is. Second number is written divide, so divide will become into. And then this will become 14 upon 3. It becomes reciprocal. This number changes. When you change the sign into product, then it will become change the numerator and denominator. Now cancel the number and you will get the answer. 7275. 7 will divide 7 to the 14 and 7 5 to 35. What is the number? 8 and 2 will become minus 16 and denominator is 5 into 3, 15. Answer is minus 16 upon 15. Okay, so I think you can check the steps and the method I have explained by replaying the video. Same way, let's see question number 5. Question number 5 C part. Question number 5 C part. And the question 5 C part is this one. 6 upon 11 divided by, it is written 6 upon 11 divided by 2 upon 33. 6 upon 11 divided by 2 upon 33. So what will it become? 6 upon 11, divide sign will become into. So what did we do here? Same rule you will apply, like we changed. So 3 upon 14 will become, what will this become? Type your answer. This was 3 upon 14. When you change the sign of division, it became product and then we did reciprocal. So it will become this. So what will this number become when you remove division sign? It will become, type the answer below the video. It will become 33 upon 2. Now this will divide 11, 3. This 2 will divide this 3. Answer is 9. So after dividing, the answer becomes 9. Okay. So question number 5 is based on division. And question number 6 and 7 are oral questions. Oral question means it is written find the additive inverse of a number. So what is the meaning of additive inverse? Additive inverse means the sum of two numbers which gives 0. So when you say additive inverse of any number means the sum of two numbers when it is added, it should give the same. What is the additive inverse of question number 6? Additive inverse A part, it is minus 6 upon 11. So which number added to minus 6 upon 11 will give same? Same answer means which number will give the same answer. So if you check the properties of addition, these are the properties starting from, yes, here. Properties of addition starting from page 2. and here is the property, additive property of 0, and here it is given additive inverse. You can check the additive inverse of negative of a rational number. It means additive inverse means any number which on adding gives the answer 0. Any number which is added to an answer and the answer should become 0. So what will we add with minus 6 upon 11 so that the answer is 0? What will you add so that the answer of this becomes 0? So plus, yes, 6 upon 11, then the answer will become 0. So additive inverse of minus 52. What is the additive inverse of minus 52? It is plus 52 because the answer should be 0. What is the additive inverse of 25? What will we add with 25 so that the answer is 0? Minus 25. Similarly, what is the additive inverse of 1 upon 2? Minus 1 upon 2. Because we want the answer 0, plus and minus will become 0. So the additive inverse is this, and here this is the meaning of additive inverse. So what is the answer of the first part? What is the additive inverse of 4 upon any number? So additive inverse of next number is written minus 8 upon B part. It is written minus 8 upon minus 13. Check the whole thing from beginning. You will have no doubt. The whole exercise will be clear. What is the additive inverse of minus 8 upon minus 13? So first there are two minus signs. So first we will make it 8 upon 13. This minus and minus should divide. Now the additive inverse. The additive inverse of 8 upon 13 is, what will you add so that the answer becomes 0? It is minus 8 upon 13. It is 0. So this is the additive inverse. What is the additive inverse of 15 upon 7? What should you add with this so that the answer is 0? So type your answer below the video. It is minus 15 upon 7 because 15 upon 7 minus 15 upon 7 will become 0. This is additive inverse. Next, their question in 7th question is, they want multiplicative inverse. So what is the multiplicative inverse? Multiplicative inverse means you want the answer to be 1. So it is, you will understand in 1 minute. If you write A part, it is written minus 3 upon 11. So what should you multiply with this number so that the answer is 1? So what you should multiply? Simple. Minus 3 upon 11 multiplicative inverse is this. From where did this come? Same number, reciprocal. Because now when you will simplify, 3 and 3 will cut, 11 and 11 will cut, answer will be 1. What is the multiplicative inverse of B part? It is written minus 2 upon minus 7. So first we have to remove two signs. Okay, like here we removed one minus sign. Two minus signs are there, we made it with one common sign. Same way, you will first remove one minus sign, and this minus sign and minus sign you have to remove this sign first. So it will become 2 upon 7. Now what is the multiplicative inverse of 2 upon 7? What should you multiply so that the answer is 2 upon 7? So multiplied by which number? 7 upon 2. Because 2 and 2 will cut, 7 and 7 will cut. So we want multiplicative inverse, answer should be 1. And in additive inverse, we want the answer to be 0. Simple. Got it? So this is the use of fractions and the rational number. And in the rational numbers, we solve it in this way by simplifying the numbers. And the next questions in your book, question number 8 onwards, you have to use property to add the following. So the first question, let's take question number 8. Question number 8. Use the commutative property to add. The question A is written 1 upon 4 plus minus 6 upon 5 plus 5 upon 12 and plus 7 upon 5. Now the question says simplify by using commutative property. So what is commutative property? Commutative property, now you have to remember the properties which are given here, and the commutative property is here. If you see here, it is written commutative, and there is a number given, a minus b is equal to b minus a. So subtraction is not commutative, but commutative property is that the number can be subtracted or added in a way. We change the sequence, like commutative for addition, 2 plus 3, like this one, a plus b, b plus a. So, but this is only possible in addition. In subtraction, it is not possible. So, if you understand it like this, change the order of addition, like this we will do, but let's understand. 3 plus 5, answer is also equal to 5 plus 3. Whether you add 3 first and 5 first, answer will remain this. So how will you do this question? By using the commutative property. So whether you add like this, like 1 upon 4 plus minus 6 upon 5 and 5 upon 12 plus 7 upon 5. So I can add the first two numbers, the next two numbers, and then add them together. Like I can add these two, and then add the answer. So what is the sum of these two numbers? Again LCM. What is the sum of these two? LCM. So let's add. I have divided the two numbers into two parts, first and second number and third and fourth number. Okay, if you have understood, type your answer. What did I do? I am adding the order. I can add in any way. I can add this plus this, first 1 upon 4 and 5 upon 12 also, 6 upon 5 and 7 upon 5 also, anyway. So I am adding first number and second number, third number and fourth number. Answer will come same. 4 upon 5, 4 and 5 LCM is 20. So since the LCM is 20, 4 will divide, it will become 5. 5 will divide, and there is a plus sign and minus sign, so only one sign is written. Plus, minus means minus. 5 will divide 24, 4 into 6, 24. Then this answer becomes this one, plus. Now let's add the next number. 12 and 5 LCM is 60. 12 will divide 5, 12 5s are 60, so it will be into 5, so this will become 25. 5 will divide 12, so it will become into 12. So 5 12s are 60, so 12 into 7, 84. So if you have confusion or any doubt, I will take a Zoom and then I will take your doubts individually, but most of the doubts will be solved if you follow the video. So the first two numbers are added, order of addition can be changed. First and second, you can add this plus this also, this plus this also, answer will come same. So here the answer is minus 19 upon 20, and this next number will become plus 25, and this, it will become 8109 upon 60. Now we will add these two. Answer is 60, LCM is 60. 20 will divide into 3, so this will become into 3, and this 60 will divide this 60, so it will come 1. So 19 into 3 minus 57 plus 109. The total will become, subtract now. So 9 minus 7 is 2. 10 minus 5 is 5 upon 60. The answer is this, which you can cancel. So how will you cancel this number? By a number which you want, are comfortable with. 4 I am counting. 4 3 are 12. 4 1 4 5. Answer is equal to 13 upon 15. Got it? So when you are using a property, you can check this whole explanation again in the video. And let's see, using commutative property, solve C part. C part is looking lengthy, but it is not lengthy. This is question number 8 and C part. 2 upon 3, there is a bracket, minus 3 upon 4, and then it is written plus 1 upon 3 into 5 upon 2, and plus 4 upon 7 into 2 upon 5. So I can solve in any order. So what I will do, I will solve this. I can solve this. First get the answer of this. This means product. So 2 into minus 3. 3 into 4. Then plus 1 into 5. 3 into 2. Let's take the answer of this, and plus answer of this. 4 into 2 and 7 into 5. So get the answer of each part and then cut. So this number can divide, 3 will divide 3, 2 will divide 2, 2 will divide, and then 5. Now what is the answer? Minus 3 upon 2 plus 5 upon 6 plus 8 upon 35. Now this becomes one single question where the LCM is the LCM of 35 and 2 and 6. So you will type your LCM below the question, what is below this video, what is the LCM of this number, and try to complete it. So once you have done, then type the answer below the video, that what is your LCM and what answer you got. LCM of 2, 6 and 35 is to be taken, and then you will solve the way we have done this. So type your comments below the video and subscribe the channel. See on the right side of the video there is a bell icon, press it and subscribe so that more videos you can watch and get learning. See you in the next class.